Hey, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video. We're out here just kind of riding around, have the drone in the saddlebag, just looking up, kind of looking around, trying to see if I could get some good shots. But I believe the main reason today, I just wanted to talk about the RAM cell phone mounting system. Now, I know there's plenty other ones out there, but from what I've mentioned before, I've seen some of them where the phone does not come out. It does not come out after, you know, even after something terrible like a crash or anything. I've seen these videos where the phone stays exactly where it's at, you know, it does not come out. And I know there's other mounting systems out there that kind of like a Quick and stuff like that, but I mean, that stuff goes on your phone. I mean, wow, I almost ran that guy over. I don't know, it's just kind of like something, like, I know my phone already has a case, but you know, I guess, I don't know, it just depends on what you like and what you're looking for. But for me to add another case or just to swap the case, I don't know, I mean, I'm okay with this one. This case, I can still use the wireless battery charger on this case. I'm not sure if you could do it with the other cell phone mounts. I don't know, maybe you can, I don't know. So I'm okay with this one. And honestly, this is what, like 50 bucks, and you get the bracket, you get the arm, and you get the actual cell phone claw too as well. So, and as you can see right here, I also have, I mean, you can mount this in different locations. I mean, this is highly universal. They actually ship you two pieces when you order the full kit. They give you two U-bolts, which is what this is, the back. They give you two of them. So if you have a 1 inch or you have a bigger bar or whatever, like down over there, 1 1/4 inch, you can still use it. Highly universal. And they also have kits where you could put it even on your controls too. But I mean, this bracket, and for the price, 50-60 bucks, it's nice. I've had RAM. I've had this one for about 3 years now, 3 or 4 years. I took this one off of my old bike and I put it on the Harley, on my new motorcycle. So, and I've never had an issue with this. I know some people have complained about it not being one-handed friendly or something like that. I mean, most of the time I do take this off. It just depends on the phone. I mean, if you have a big old phone like this one, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to get it out of the claw. But I mean, that's what you want. You want it secured. You know, you don't want it falling out. So I've had this one for like I said, 3 years. Never had an issue with it. Always stays in place. Yeah, there's a little play right here, but that's normal because of the adjustment of the claw. So, and this one over here, it's, you know, these are interchangeable. So that's what's the good thing about having this RAM system, this RAM mount system. I can move this over there, and I can move you guys down over here. And I have another one where I do want to put it on the engine guard. That way you guys can get another view of me just riding around the city. So it's a good mount, and for the 50 bucks, you know, you just can't beat it. I mean, you could purchase a longer arm too. This is the one you see over here on the right here. This is, I believe that's the 1 inch, and the one over here, this is the 2 inch. And I believe they sell them up to 4 inches. There's one longer than this one still. You could even use these in your car as well. You know, that's what I like about this about the RAM mounts. If you know, I could take this off and then place it in my car, and they have cup holder mounts, and they also have the suction cup too. And I also have a suction cup, and you could suction it onto your windshield on your car. You could just turn it, loosen it, and then just take it from here and put it directly into your car. They also have brackets for iPads and tablets, you know, everything. So it's not, you know, it's not just cell phone mounts. Potentially it could be a camera mount. You could put it in your car. You could vlog in the car, and you could do what I'm doing, vlog while you ride too. So for 50 bucks, it's a good investment to kind of get into, I guess, like the family of what they have for this. They have a whole lot of, they have so many products, and it's a good investment to kind of get into, because you'll be able to use these same components and these same items and expand your collection, and then it'll be really universal for whatever you need. So that's why I bought into the RAM system here, because it works perfect. You know, my camera and my phone they're secure. I'm not worried about them falling out, anything like that. And I've had different mounts when I'm on a bicycle, and then I hit a curb, or I jump off of a curb, and the phone slides underneath. And that's happened to me like 2 times, because I came off of a curb on my bike, not my motorcycle, but on my bicycle, and the phone would just boop, come out of the bottom, but not with this one. So here, let me show you. Turn the bike off. It's right here. Sometimes I just kind of do that, see, and it's off. To put it back on there, yeah, you can't do this with one hand. So to take it off, you can do it with one hand, or you can use both hands. So I mean, it's not a big issue. So this is the longer mount that I was telling you guys about. That's the shorter one. And this is where the kit comes, and also it actually comes with another U-bolt, and you have a little spacer back here to kind of protect your bars. That comes on there too. And the reason why I'm using this one is I don't like the bolt sticking out far too much, so that's why I went ahead and installed this one, and I have the other U-bolt at the house. So this is the X grip. This stuff will not let your phone go. It actually has another protector that you could wrap your phone around, but my phone's too big for that. And that's pretty much it. I like they actually send you the super glue for these rubber mounts that holds onto your phone, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about the phone coming out. So they give you the super glue. They give you the adjustable arm. You can move. I can move this up and I can move it down, but I kind of wanted it where I could kind of see it. It'd be like an infotainment system, like on a touring glide. Or I mean, it's kind of, yeah, I guess the bike is a little bit of a touring. Got the engine guard, the saddlebags, and the fairing, kinda. And this is the other mount that I have here. This is for the camera. So I'm happy with I'm happy with the RAM mounts. So if you're out there looking at probably purchasing or buying one of these for your motorcycle, or even for your bicycle, you could use this on your bicycle. I mean, this would be overkill for sure. It'd be overkill for sure on a bicycle, but you know, it'd be good to kind of invest in it, get yourself a couple different ones, and then you could just move it onto your bicycle. It's pretty good. So that's pretty much my 2 cents. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, let me know what you have on your bike, and if you could answer that, if you guys own one of the other quick quad locks, or the Rick Rock, and I'm not sure what the other ones are called. But if you guys have those, and you know something that I don't, like, does it charge your phone wirelessly? Because I still have the wireless charger for my phone, and I do use it quite a bit. So if you guys know if it turns on or charges or anything like that, go ahead and leave your comments down below. And thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and thanks for for just kind of following and staying tuned in. So thank you guys. Later.